You avoid checking your bank account, sometimes for days, sometimes longer. You're not lazy, you're scared, and that fear is keeping you broke. The notification pops up, you swipe it away. You'll check it later, but later never comes. You go through your day with this low-level anxiety. You don't know exactly what's in there, and somehow, not knowing feels safer than finding out. Your brain thinks avoidance is protection. If you don't see the number, you don't have to deal with it. But here's the truth. Avoiding the numbers doesn't make them go away. It lets them get worse. Overdraft fees stack up, bills go unpaid, small problems become emergencies. Then one day, you're forced to look, and it's worse than you imagined. Not because you're bad with money, because you waited too long. The fear of knowing almost always feels worse than the actual truth. Your brain exaggerates. It imagines the worst, but the number is just a number. And once you see it, you can do something about it. You can't fix what you refuse to face. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes facing your money less scary. No complicated spreadsheets, no overwhelming charts, just a simple, clear picture of where you stand. You see your income, your expenses, your surplus or shortfall. No judgment, just clarity. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. And once you see it, the fear fades. You realize you're not as far behind as you thought, or if you are, you now have a plan. Stop hiding from your money. Start facing it without fear. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.